To create Roblox account, first you have to go your Play Store and download your Roblox game. Then go to Game Hub. Then you can see your Roblox apps available here. Just open a Roblox account apps. Then here you can see the create account. Press on create account. Now select your age. Press on confirm birthday. Then select your gender, male or email, and don't use your real name. Select your username. Make sure your name is available. Once done, make sure you are selecting your gender. Then press on continue and press on create. It's for Samsung device, so now select your password and select your password. If you want to create pass key, you can also create it. Your Roblox account is creating. Unlock chat. You can unlock your chat from here. Press on continue. Then your chat also unlock. So your account is now created. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.